everybody coming through Occupy Boston essentially has to prostrate themselves in front of either you, Rich, you, Caroline, or you, Linda, and with a few other people involved there. That's unhealthy.
Okay, this is
Oh, that's cool. I don't care. Okay.
You're fucking ass.
Oh, you can all say, hold on, no. It's my turn, remember that.
No, it's not your turn.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, okay, like I said, I have a loud fucking voice.
Yeah.
I don't give a shit what you think. People can look right in my eyes and say, look right through me and say, people don't come here and then they want to bring up a proposal for themselves. Any money that goes to the NOG helps every group in this city. Helps any activist group.
John, you're
You
not helping your
don't.
case right now.
I don't give a shit what you have to say.
You're not helping your case.
No, you guys are schizophrenic, unrealistic in setting yourselves up so that anything that needs to come through has to go through you. I don't even go. I can talk over you.
It was already allocated.
I don't come here because I don't fucking want to lie out at your